Hello everyone. This video is a revisit of the WDS imaging video I uploaded, and if you watch that thing through its entirety, you'll notice that I missed a few things or got a few things wrong. The first one being the .NET framework in the task sequence. And not technically a mistake, but if you have applications that require you to have that .NET Framework 2.0 through 3.5, it is a mistake. If you're putting it on there just to be proactive, then the way I had it originally be fine. So if you are in a situation where you need .NET Framework 2.0 through 3.5 prior to installing a particular application, you will right-click your task sequence, go to Properties, and let it do its thing. Let it do its thing some more. So what I actually had to do, I had to move this install applications, I believe it was right below Tat2. I moved this right down below install roles and features. And install roles and features. Don't have to do anything with that. The Windows source can stay underneath custom tasks. That for some reason sticks, but the way this is ordered now, this will install .NET Framework 3.5 or 2.0 and 3.0, and then this will install your applications afterwards. As I said, the other mistake that I made, or mistakes rather, were with installing the applications, and this is my fault for not looking over my notes close enough. So my syntax was right, but the name of my executable was wrong. Like the Google Chrome, the version I had it was 64-bit, and my syntax didn't reflect that, so I had the 64 in there, and that's still just fine. Notepad++ was very similar. All I had was the wrong version in this quiet install command originally, so updated that, and both those applications installed just fine. If you have any other questions or concerns or constructive criticism, please feel free to leave them in the comments.